gallery. Now, you can select here photos, up to 5 photos of yourself or your business, promotional material, whatever you want. This will be your, the first photo that you add will be the image that everybody will see on your profile. So I'm going to pick 2 random photos here. Okay, I've got some t-shirts. Let's do that. All right, 3 photos. Let's let that load. 1, 2, and 3. As you can see, there's a little star in the corner of this photo. That's because this is the first image that people will see. But let's say that I want to reorient or reorganize my gallery. I can just click and drag them around, and also reassign the star by clicking in the upper left-hand corner of the image I want. There. Okay. All right, details. Now, the details section is where you're going to post your bio and a brief description of the services that you'll be offering. So, oop, ad has 2 Ds. Okay. I find it helpful to keep the bio. You don't want it to be too brief, but around 250 words is sufficient to get the message across. And as for your services, using a bullet format helps people to scan quickly and understand pretty clearly what you want to do or what you're doing. All right. Now, suppose someone's interested in your services, they're interested in your bio, but they don't know if they want to work with you, or they might have a couple of questions. You can enable a contact widget here, which securely allows them to submit a form that goes directly to your profile and an email via an email. So let's say you add your email or a phone number. If you hit this contact widget, then the form widget will send an email to the given address there. If you don't want people contacting you through your profile, you can always turn that off. The minimum and maximum price range, that's just a little bit of information that gives people an idea of where your prices lie before they go into your profile. So let's say I want to offer this service for between $45 and $65.